Welcome to our channel where we simplify complex topics like health insurance claims with clear, easy steps for you to follow. Welcome to our channel where we simplify complex topics like health insurance claims with clear, easy steps for you to follow. Filing a health insurance claim may seem daunting at first, but with the right guidance it becomes a straightforward process. Let's dive into the essential steps to get your claim processed quickly and successfully. Step 1. Understand your policy. Before you make any claims, ensure that you have reviewed your health insurance policy thoroughly. Know what treatments and services are covered to avoid surprises later. Step 2. Gather all necessary documents. These typically include medical reports, hospital bills, prescription receipts, and your insurance card. Having all these ready helps in speeding up the claim. Step 3. Notify your insurance provider. Most companies require that you inform them about your hospital visit or medical procedure within a specific time frame. This can often be done via phone, email, or their mobile app. Step 4. Fill out a claim form accurately. Obtain the claim form from your insurer's website or customer service. Carefully fill it out, ensuring all information matches your documents without errors. Step 5. Submit your claim form and documents. Submission methods vary from online uploads to postal mail or hand delivery. Check your insurer's preferred methods to ensure smooth processing. Step 6. Keep track of your claim status. Many insurers provide claim tracking either through their app or customer portal. Stay informed about any additional requirements or updates. Step 7. Follow up if needed. If your claim is delayed or rejected, contact your insurer promptly to understand the reasons and resolve them. Persistence helps. Step 8. Receive your reimbursement or payment. Once approved, the insurer will process your payment via bank transfer or check. Check that the amount matches your expectations based on your coverage. By understanding each step and preparing properly, you can file your health insurance claim with confidence and ease. Remember, preparation and timely communication are your best allies throughout this process. For more expert tips and clear explanations, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video.